Namaste. Now come on the point in our today's class, co-education. That is our today's point, co-education. What is the meaning of education? And after that, we will try to understand the word co-education. And after that, we will know about the pros and cons of the education. Pros means in favor of co-education. These are the points. And cons means the points are not in favor of co-education. First of all, we will discuss here co-education. It means the first word is education. Co is prefix. Education is the root word. Sir, education means why we need education? Education, each family, each country, each society, each person, boys and girls, I think all persons need education. Education means to try and we can say develop our ideas. Education means to understand our syllabus. Education means prepare our syllabus for the society, for the nation, for the world. Education means to give everything, and education means to use our energy in positive thinkings, in positive use, in positive works. All the are meanings are of education. Education is not the very small word. Education means full and final word. Education means complete developing ideas. Education means energy in positive attitudes. Education means in everything. Okay. Now come on the point, co-education. Sir, if we study before 20 or 30 years ago, then we will see, especially in villages and in rural areas, most girls were uneducated and boys were taking education to getting their jobs. But I think at present the time has completely changed now, and our family need for the education of girls and boys together. But that is the matter. Sir, such is the typical matter in our villages. We try to know gain education. We want education, but that is our understanding is also ready for absolute to getting the period of education. In villages, slowly we will trying to get education for the boys and the girls. Before some days and before some time, before some years, we have seen that girls' education were strictly banned and boys' education continued. But the problem after some time we will feel, and I think at present we have failed also in this matter, that girls' education is equally responsible. Girls' education is equally needed as well as the boys' education. So the point is not the education, point is the co-education. Every each parent wants to get education for their child. But that is the point, what type of education he or she wants. Co-education or separate education. Separate education means we can say boys and girls study not together. They study in different type of institutes. Girls study in only the educational institutes for the girls, and the boys study in the such type of institutes that related to boys, and the hostel and other facilities also different for the boys and girls. But that is the matter in developed countries. So India, developing countries. So we have seen in developed countries they want to get co-education, not separate education. Then we see what are the benefits and why these persons want to get co-education. They don't want separate education. Why? So these countries are developed and we are developing. So this is the very scene, not we see. This is the very scene we should notice, because India is a country of rural background. India is a country of villages. So in our thinking of such type of rural background, we want to not get any type of dispute between the boys and the girls. We want to separate education, but we just only take benefit and we want to see just only one side, just to get education, the knowledge of books. So here the point is co-education. We will discuss here, and we are discussing here on the basis points that are written on the board. Sir, pros. Pros means in favor of. Sir, why we need co-education? What are the benefits for us? Girls and boys study together. That is co-education. What is the meaning of co-education? Co-education means the girls and boys study together. They live together. They know each other, and they feel and completely systems of each others try to know with the behavior, and in a same institution study. So this is the point, sir. What are the benefits? The first benefit is that equal responsibility. Equal responsibility means, sir, you know, sir, boys and girls and our youth, we can say, is completely responsible for the build of nation, and they should try to invest, or we can say use their energy in positive works. So if we feel the boys are sufficient, so our thinking is insufficient, I think. So the boys and girls are equal responsible. Boys and girls are equal responsible for the responsibility to develop the nation. Then, sir, we can say if the boys use their energy for the, and they are for the nation builder, and the girls are not inside. So this we can say not is the developed side. This is developing side, and this is the single side, because you know a family is completely dependent on the girl. So girls' education is also responsible equal to boys' education. So in our villages we can see, sir, and we have seen feelings of inferior. Sir, girls' family and girl in our society, just only the male-dominated society. Our society is male-dominated society. So a gents, so a male, a boy think about the girls. This person has a feeling of inferior type of, we can say there is no quality, and we will think, and we think in our society girls thinking is not equal to the boys. So this is our domination. So to remove this domination, it is essential for us for the girls' education. Developing country, you know, sir, India is a developing country, and other side what we can say all are the developed countries. So India is a developing country. It is a country of rural background. In rural background, we want to education, but such type of education, what type of education? We want to just different type of education. Girls should go in girls educational systems, and boys should go in boys educational systems. That is different type of education. Saving expenditure. Saving expenditure means if the if the boys and girls study together, I think they have no more buildings. I think the same institute and same teachers, same furniture, same electricity, and all other such type of facilities. I think imagine that in your village a institute opens, and per class only 15 students are there. That are the male students, boys. So I think your class expenditure will be double, and 15 students of girl in different institute. So separate teachers need here. But if they study together, then I think the batch of 30 students is not large. So this is sufficient. But our thinking should be according to our educational period. 30 students batch is a routine batch. A teacher, not a double teacher, we can say single teacher is sufficient for this education system. Same building, same system, same buses, same furniture, all type of systems. Just only 30 boys are same system. So equal responsibility, inferior of, remove the feeling of inferior, developing country. It means India is a developing country. To develop, developing country, so change into developed country, it is essential. We should notice the girls' education. Saving expenditure. Now that I know the point, cons. Cons means minus point, loss. Double expenditure. If we have different type of education, separate education, we talk about the separate education for the girls and boys. They, I think, need definitely different buildings, different furniture, different teachers. So just double expenditure charge will be raised. Concentration of mind, although this is not the matter, but our feelings, that is the point we notice here. Concentration of mind. Sir, you know, education is such type of a point that we should concentrate our mind. We should concentrate our mind on completely on education. But if the girls and boys study together, I think they lose their concentration. This is the minus point, right, sir? Hostel closure in political problems. You know, in different colleges and many colleges are proposed for the election systems, and in duration system their hosting facilities in a same campus, then definitely problems will be raised, and such type of cases, some we can say rapes and other type of related to better that are known in our proper society. So we can see this is a major problem also. Wrong decisions, and in this age they are premature, so they don't understand each other's feeling, and in some cases we have noticed they take some wrong decisions. It is also wrong. So come on the last of the point here, conclusion. What is the conclusion? Sir, conclusion is city and village, we can say thinking mode. Sir, conclusion is that co-education is not a bad thing. Co-education is a proper thing. Co-education is essential for our coming generation, and they should try to their energy in positive acts to raise our nation's energy double, right, sir? So we can say our villages should change their feeling attitude for such like the changes system of the developed countries or the cities. Equal energy for the nation, and the West they use their energy in equally responsibility for the nation. So we can say at last, sir, co-education have some benefits, co-education have some minus points. These are the better sir here, and I think, sir, co-education, first of all in this class we discussed about the word education. Now come on the point co-education, and about the co-education there are the cross points: equal responsibility, feeling of inferiorness, that's your remove here, developing nation, change into developed countries, that is essential, and expenditure, saving of expenditure, that are the essential points, right, sir? Double expenditure charge, concentration of mind, hostel problems, and wrong decisions. These are the cons. So, sir, through this video, I am going to going to give the message. Sir, some boys notice the problem here. If you learn and listen me, then only English you can't clear your matter. Sir, with the help of your book, you have a GD book from Akash Defense Academy, and use this book and listen this video 2 or 3 times continuous, twice or thrice we can say, and after that you may use your book and you may use your point, and after that you should discuss with your friend, brother, sister in your family, right, sir? Then definitely you will understand my topic. Sir, in this class if we use Hindi, imagine that, then sir you can't speak proper English. That is the major problem. So you should try according to me. You listen this video twice or thrice continuously. After that you should check your book, notice your book, read your book, and after that understand this point and try to speak himself and herself, and after that I think you should discuss with your friends. Imagine that you are live at present in your village, rural areas, no problem, your brother, sister and your friend circle you may use, right, sir? And then definitely you will get benefit. Okay, thank you.